Jai Sri Ram, friends. Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, announced after a big fight, he said, I won't repeal it, except repealing, I will do anything. The roads of Delhi was blocked for a year. All kind of hangama happened, and, police action, and so-called farmers going and climbing over the what you call the doing a Day parade, and climbing over the Red Fort, and putting a Khalistani flag there, and so many things has happened. Okay, so many things have happened in this year, and after a year of battle, at last PM Modi gives up. He calls it quit. He says, in fact, he nicely put it in the word that he is not giving up for the farmers as per him. He said, I am giving up for the nation. Let's see what are the headlines of the newspapers are. It's very interesting. In Times of India, you see PM Modi announces a repeal of farm laws, 10 important things. And next to that, this is the article that says, has BJP shot itself and the farm economy in the food? We are going to go through different people talking about how this so-called the historical three laws for the farm laws, you know, was going to be repealed in a historic way, because it was voted in the parliament, and it became a law, and it was not defeated in the court, it was not defeated in the parliament, but it was defeated in a street fight, making Rakesh Tikait the hero. Knockout punch belongs to Rakesh Tikait, and it was a punch that made him a hero today. And PM Modi, I don't know, some people call it as master stroke. Let's see what different people call. It's very interesting. In fact, Republic was another newspaper, another channel that was pushing for farms law. I don't know, where nobody who was supporting the farm law can go and hide anywhere or what, we don't know, But let's see. PM Modi's decision, no comments needed, says Bihar CM Nitish Kumar, on repeal of the farms law. Rahul Gandhi, in fact, went on to say, Rahul Gandhi's I said you so kind of moment, and he goes on to write an open letter to farmers, promises support in their future also, Um, it's a great day for Rahul Gandhi, no question about it. Okay, Republic goes on to put the defining photos of farmer protests from Delhi Chalo to Republic Day parade to repeal. Okay, you see here all the, it goes through the history, all the langar, all the namaz reading, the tractor rally, you have the Marbeat that happened, Republic Day parade, national highways blocked, and people getting shaved, massage everywhere in the so-called the farmers protest area, langar, so many things. It goes through the picture. Now it's a very great article from NDTV apologizing to the nation. PM says three farm laws to be cancelled. PM Modi's apology to farmers, how to read it. Sonia Gandhi says, hope PM Modi has learned lessons, leave aside the arrogance, says Sonia Gandhi. Before going to Twitter now, let's see some of the cartoons of the day. Farm law. This is from the print. Yogi says, wow, he takes a sigh of breath, where the UP farmers will be relieved, and he will be relieved. Almost the farms law was under collapse, taking it back, says Modi. But you know what, as per our polls, we didn't find any major backlash for farms law in UP. But this is what print goes on to say. This is another print cartoon where the farmers makes Modi to hands up, and he is done. Now you see here, Modi ka Gamand Hara. Okay, so you see a lot of people. It's one of the popular trends today, as you can see. Modi ka Gamand Hara. Rahul Gandhi is walking with the papers, slipping and falling down, and communist flag, being on the rise, and while introducing the formula, Modi looks like Ajay Devgan and now like nobody. Bear it in mind one thing: hard work pays off. Says Kanaya Singh INC, appreciating the hard work done by Tikait and his farmer group. Farmers want BJP lose, farm law to be withdrawn. Okay, and you see the flashback or throwback picture from the tractor rally. Okay, salute to every farmer labor who sacrificed his life to win the moment. This is another cartoon that comes in saying bus nikal gaya abhi hawa. Now you see Rakesh Tikait coming with the stick for Modi and making it happen. PM Modi announces all three formulas will be gone after spreading so many propaganda using Godi media. BJP failed to establish their fascism. Kudos to farmers, the pillar of the country, the hero of the days, Rakesh Tikait, who made the farmers Andolan his own, and with his tears bringing people. How many likes for Rahul? Modi ka Gamand Hara, okay? And you see the farmers here, and again the cartoon what we saw, the farmers crowing on the back of Modi, making him to hands up. Modi for Kisan welfare. BJP IT cell overtime it works now. 21.5k tweet. This is a very interesting tweet from Ishwar. Before calling Khalistanis, tell about your contribution. Suberdar Amarjit Singh says fought for China in 1962, fought Pakistan in 1965, fought Pakistan in 1971, farmers protester in 2021. Rakesh Tikait, hey, ये मेरा बाप नहीं हो सकता. This is every Bhakt at this time says ये तो मेरा बाप नहीं हो सकता. Now Modi का Gamand Hara, Rakesh Tikait to Modi, and now he is putting on the feet on the seat, and in fact Yogi is hiding under the table as per this cartoon. Modi Bhakt today be like this. Just don't make eye contact, keep walking. This is another interesting post here. The culprits of the nation, please give them 15 lakh, will throw you out of the government. All the so-called Godi media who have been propagating for farmers law. So very interesting tweet from the farmer side of it. Now let's see what the other side is talking about. Shefali Vaidya says, extremely disappointed actually, but I would rather wait and watch how this pans out. No other option, Master stroke experts, disappointed. 2 minute silence for all Godi media anchors who kept defending the farms law for more than a year by calling protesters farmers as Khalistanis and terrorists. Government will be forced to take back farm law.
Mark my words, take it from me. These laws, the government will be forced to take them back. Remember what I said. Thank you.
So Rahul Gandhi says, my word has come true today. Disappointed, weakest PM of the world, decided not to vote him. That's a sad reaction when you realize farm law have been repealed, for which you supported, defended like a dog in hundreds of debates on news channels for more than a year. This is Samit Patra here. When Modi introduces the farm law, master stroke, Modi ji repeals the farm law. Modi said, what I did was for farmers, what I am doing is for the country. Prime Minister Modi, in his address to the nation, we haven't been able to explain this to our farmers. This isn't time to blame anyone. I have taken farm law back. We are repealing the farm law. So today Modi surrenders to the street fighters. A lot to learn. Because if anybody wants to succeed today in India, your court is going to take years, like Ram Mandir or any issues like freeing the temple or anything like that. It's going to take years. But in a year, you can get it done from be protecting in Delhi roads and blocking them. And the Bucks and Godi media who defended Famla, how they were then and how they are now. Ritu equal rights for Hindu. CAA stalled, NRC stalled, Farm Bill replaced. That too after loss of thousands and thousands of crores. Discussion of the national flag on 26 January. Over 70,000 crore economic loss in Q3 due to farmers' agitation. Incredible amount of economical loss, life lost, everything after a year of struggle. Who is happy in this? We don't know. Not definitely Modi's voter base. अब ये भी डिफेंड करना पड़ेगा, बोलता है एक बक. 0.56 inches, maybe right, Ravan says. And the Godi media, so-called people who never bow down to China, Pakistan twice, how would they have lost to Modi? Farmers' victory. Master stroke, win election, make laws, repeal laws to win election. In fact, Rakesh Tuket tweets, the agitation will not be taken back. We will wait for the day when the farms law will be scrapped in the parliament, which is already told, but I think they have to find another job to do what to do, so they need some time, which is understandable. Rakesh Tikait, Yogendra Yadav demand Bharat Ratna for Rahena to pressurize Modi government. Okay, Rakesh Tikait will not stop protest despite of the request. He must continue his protest till India became Sharia country. Modi ji thinks farm law हटाने से Tikait और gang घर चले जाएंगे. Then he is wrong. Now they will get more courage to keep protesting. First to take back CAA, then Article 370. That is for sure. And any protester should, rather than going to the court, they should protest in Delhi.
कानून जो है उनकी वापसी की घोषणा हो गई, क्या आप खुश हैं?
हमारा ये है कि उन्होंने कानून पे बात करी है, उन्होंने कहा कि हम वापसी ले लेंगे. ठीक है, अब एमएसपी का और रह गया. एमएसपी को और कानूनी गारंटी दे दे और उसके बाद में एक कमेटी बना दे. जो और मामले होंगे कमेटी बातचीत करती रहेगी अपना. यही उस टाइम पे जब 11 दौर की बातचीत हुई, उस टाइम पे ये शामिल, यही बात उस टाइम पे हुई थी.
तो इसका मतलब अब एमएसपी गारंटी आपकी शर्त हो गई है.
So he is not going to Tikait after this knockout. We don't call this knockout punch. He is going to give much more blow to Modi. So he should get ready for it, for sure. Sanjay Dikshit ji, a weak PM surrenders to the mob that could have been handled by a station housing office. So Sanjay Dikshit asks, means CAA will be repealed on Eid? Any chance that temple controls are being restored to Hindus and Makar Shantanti, or that might be communal? You know what, Sanjay Dikshit ji, you have to understand, Hindus should learn to block the road in Delhi. I hope they get the message, because it's not the court, it's not the parliament. If you have to get good at blocking the road, because they have to remove CAA, they have no other option now. One Twitter user says this is a real shrinking of 56 inch and let down of 303 street mandate. God bless BJP. It can't win on populism and Mandir alone. Now what? Article 370, CAA next. So people have a lot of guess. Modi government hardly made 2 or 3 important decisions, so they can repeal them. The repealing of the law was a good decision in the long run. In no time, we will see anti-national protesting for Article 370 and force the government to take back that too. So, yeah. So, what next? Article 370, Parliament is not hearing them, Supreme Court is not hearing them, but the street justice won. Okay, soon Abdullah and Mufti are going to come to Delhi and border to abrogate Article 370. यूपी इलेक्शन कैंपेन के चक्कर में इसको मत हटा देना, ये अच्छा डिसीजन था. Yeah, who knows, right? Everything was considered as even farms law was considered as a अच्छा decision. In fact, Sanjay Dikshit was asking if it is a master stroke or brain stroke. Very interesting comment from both the sides. Hope you enjoyed this video. And what do you think? Is Modi is the weakest PM? He got the last blow, or still Tikait have some punch left in him for Modi? What do you think? Because he's not going away. He's the hero of the day, and staying on the roads, and wanting to get down more. Now, what will happen to Shahin Bagh? Will they gather again? Do you think Hindus should learn how to block the road in Delhi to get the temples free and other their uniform civil code or whatever, those kind of things? Do you think Hindus have to get out of the comfort zone? What is your thought? I will like you to comment, and say your opinion. Hope you enjoyed. Okay, have a great day. Jai Sri Ram.